Hello, fellow traders. Welcome to another broker review. So today we're going to review Ninjatrader as a powerful derivative trading platform specializing in futures forex options. The platform has a number of unique trading tools. A free version does exist without the extra goodies provided by Traders Plus and OrderFlow Plus. But users can still break down charts, backtest strategies, and trade without upfront payment. So, NinjaTrader hosts its own brokerage services, uh, but users have the choice of several different brokerage options, accounts, and have minimum depending on the securities traded, and commissions vary depending on the version of the platform. Advanced derivative traders will have endless fun with this platform. Mighty array of tools and analyzer. So the free version, which is included with all brokerage accounts, is a great starting platform for new traders without the financial commitment. uh, as you grow in a trading and are ready for more tools and functionality, you can add more complexity. So this broker is best for futures traders, um, traders who are looking for 24/7 action, and advanced traders. So between the the pros for this or advantages for this broker, it's a powerful analysis tool, free download and stimulated trading, and an open source trading apps to enhance experience. Uh, so that's it. And for the cons, it's you can't find uh, shares. If you want to trade shares or indices, you can only find derivative futures and forex and options. Also, if you are on the hunt for the best online brokerage, NinjaTrader is a great fit for both new investors and seasoned traders. Some of the key features in NinjaTrader's futures brokerage service include a commission as low as zero, a commission as low as $0.09 per micro contract, low 1400 account minimum, low day trading margin of 500 per contract for E-mini, S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones Industrial Average. So who's NinjaTrader for? NinjaTrader for traders who trade futures. Uh, it offers services cater directly to futures traders. It's the destination for those both active and new, with unlimited free use for advanced charting, market analysis, and stimulation trading. Also, this broker is for advanced traders. NinjaTrader's state-of-the-art trading platform has a variety of features available across 3 license levels that allows traders to select the best fit for their trading approach. Uh, there are 2 upgrade feature sets available, that is Trader Plus and OrderFlow Plus. While advanced charting, market analysis, and stimulated or simulated trading are included free for the all users. Licensing Trading Plus or Order Flow Plus gives you access to premium tools such as an enhanced Super Doom and an advanced alerting system, semi-automated order execution, um, and other sophisticated charting systems. So that being said, hope you enjoyed this review, and for personal um, as a personal opinion, I do not recommend for traders who are just starting and want to learn the whole aspect of forex and trading. This is for advanced traders and um, who are willing, for some who are willing to invest more to have a best experience with this platform and this broker. Hope you like this review. See you in the next.